Hey guys, what's up? So last year Samsung launched the Galaxy S20 FE, which is a cheaper version of the Galaxy S20, and the device actually provided a better value than the cheapest phone among the S21 series. Samsung is expected to do something similar this time as well by launching the S21 FE, as we have already seen the design of the phone, but we now have even more details, particularly about the battery size that the phone will have. So according to Galaxy Club, the phone will have a 4500 mAh battery, which is the same size as the S20 FE. So a disappointment there if you were hoping that Samsung would give the device a 4800 mAh battery like the S21 Plus. After all, the S20 FE got its battery from the S20 Plus last year, but it's still better than the S21's 4000 mAh cell. Now the battery is actually rated at 4370 mAh, but there's a high chance that Samsung would market it as 4500 mAh typical capacity. The phone is rumored to get a 6.4-inch display, which is slightly larger than the 6.2-inch screen on the S21, but other than that, both the displays should get the same specs like resolution, 120Hz support and more. It might also get a 32-megapixel selfie camera as opposed to a 10-megapixel unit on the S21, but the rear camera setup should be more or less similar with a triple camera setup seen on the renders as well. Also, the phone will be available in 5 colors including grey or silver, green, purple, pink and white. Samsung's Mexican website had accidentally mentioned the S21 FE, but nothing else except the name was revealed, so just a confirmation that Samsung is indeed working on a successor to the S20 FE. The company is rumored to announce it in mid of August after the launch of the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 in July. The actual date is of course not confirmed, but rumors point towards an unpacked event on the 19th of August. Talking about the Z Flip 3, so according to a report from South Korea, the phone will be available in a rainbow of colors, in fact 8 colors to be precise, and that includes light purple, black, green, beige, matte grey, white, dark blue and dark pink. So a stark contrast from the gold, black and purple of last year, but I'm not sure if all these colors will be available at launch or if all the regions will get them either. Also, it will come with at least 256GB of storage similar to the Z Fold 3. Now, if you were thinking that Google is the only company working with Samsung for their own chips, then you are wrong. Apparently, Xiaomi is also in talks with Samsung to build their own SoC, which will utilize the next-gen Cortex X2 cores. Now, of course, the Cortex X2 hasn't been announced yet, but ARM will probably announce it in the second half of the year. So a nice little surprise from Xiaomi, but they will still be using Mali GPUs, which we all know are nothing special and can't compete with Adreno GPUs from Qualcomm Snapdragon processors. Now this isn't anything new for Xiaomi, as they have previously developed custom SoCs for their phones like the Surge S1, but that was a mid-range chip, while this Cortex X2 powered chip will definitely be a flagship silicon. Moving on, so if you were curious as to how much does it cost for Samsung to make the S21 Ultra, a Counterpoint research report has given us just that, stating that the device has an optimized cost structure with the cost falling between $400 to $600 mainly due to the integrated modem. So if you don't know, the Snapdragon 865 came with an integrated 5G modem, unlike the 855 that came a year ago, where you needed to have a separate 5G modem on top. Also, the Exynos 2100 being an in-house chip helped lower the cost as well. Now do keep in mind that this is just an estimation from the bill of materials, and the actual cost of the device is a lot more than that, which includes the research and development that Samsung has put into the device, the manufacturing and distributing costs, marketing, etc. So that's it for this video. Do let me know your opinion about the S21 FE and the Z Flip 3. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech videos and smash the like button on the left of it. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.